35, 40 people. They don't budge from there. You all attend many parties, royal parties. I was told that the parties cost nowadays 800, 900 to 3,500 rupees per dish to eat. And fancy is there, Chinese, Russian, Spanish. Okay, Italian, okay. But by the time you finish your starter, you can't enter in the main course. It's a beautiful garden. It's a beautiful music. Good fragrance is there. When you go, you enjoy and see the serenity. But keep on sitting and watching there up to midnight, 12 o'clock. Pranav Dave was asking me, how you will describe this attitude? I told, Draupadi nu chirharan, garden nu pan chirharan. What a shameful thing. None of you go there and walking there, go for your royal cars, Mercedes, BMWs. But this is your understanding, this is your education. What you are sharing with them, what you are caring with them. I'm coming to the house, very, very fundamental matter. This morning I have seen one doctor couple having so much of heavy heart, I have seen them. Their girl has done MBBS. After doing MBBS, for 1 full year you are supposed to do internship. Internship is being done under so cold. Yesterday's interns becomes today a residence. Now residents, they behave so badly with them. Bring a stethoscope from me. And the poor lady says to spend money and bringing a center. Helpless. Can't you think something good? Throw this away in the garbage. Bring new one. They treat them worse than a dog, a scavenger. Do this, do that. Swamiji, they are torturing my child. And because of the torture of the child, when she comes home, she is a headache to my wife and a headache to me. Can't help her. The leading cardiologist is having a pain in his heart, and it's a true matter, and so it's a shameful. What they are sharing with them? What is their care to their own people? Yesterday you were interns, today you have become residents, so what? It's an awareness, the human values. Sharing and caring is a feeling for a fellow being. Living a life, breathe for them. You breathe. Think what I can do for you. Don't wait for a photographer to come. Jump. Do it. Share. Care. And see that from the ancient time, the Devas, Danavas, and the Manava, when they went to Prajapati, Prajapati said the same thing to the Manava. That Danam, Damascha, and Daya are for you. Dana is for human being, Daman is for the Devatas, Daya is for the Asura. The Danam, the sharing. Danam is not merely a money, friends. A positive thinking for anyone to the known and unknown. Think positive. You breathe for the society. Why when from the 15th August flag hosting time, respected Honorable Prime Minister is talking from the rampart of our Red Fort, saying so that I had such a big pain and heavy heart. And the Indian newspaper prints that now the ministers in Delhi, they are coming in a time. Babus, they are coming office in the time. Anyone will be happy, but it's a pain to me. Now, another pain to me. Another pain to me, why he has to say that keep your courtyard clean. Why? The Prime Minister has to say, can't we understand this moral duty of our own self? Outside there is a bookstall was there, some XYZ. And they opened their books and they tied up when rape was there, it was thrown on the way. When I was lifting up, Radia Sahib says, give it to me, I will take it up. It's a very small matter. Yesterday night when I was having a dinner with a very learned, educated engineers in a Institute of Science and Technology in Delhi, I found practical everyone. 1/3 of the glass, the coffee they leave, 1/3 of the sambar they leave, 1/3 of the rasam they leave. I said, the 500 guys leave 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. मेरे प्यारे 100 लोगों का खाना हो जाएगा. Sharing and caring are not mere empty, ordinary words. It needs an awareness of the awareness. It brings on a consciousness of the consciousness. Jagrat में जागृत, स्वप्न में जागृत, सुसुप्ति में जागृत. Jago. Share in care. False attitude has got no value. Dive deep in the recesses of the reality. Keep your life a life of the transparency. Jaisa hai vaisa dikha. No adambar, no glamour, no show. Gujarat is lucky not to have at least Karwa Chauth. But Punjab is full of Karwa Chauth. Now the Sikh community also started doing. Ek haath, a mehndi up to here you have to pay 500 rupees. Another haath 1,000 rupees. And a fashion is so much so. मेरी सास ने तो सरगी दी नहीं. मेरी सास ने तो दिए. क्या दिया? 12 गिन्नी दिए. 12 गिन्नी. एक सूट, एक साड़ी. And my sas is sending me for Karwa Chauth, me and my husband, Thailand. Phuket में जाएंगे. Hey, what is happening to you? Hey, क्या है भाई? What is this? It's all show. It's all glamour. Hey, you have got plenty of money. I will tell you what is sharing, giving, Mukesh Bhai. Once a week, most humbly, in the name of my master, we cook a food. We bring it to poor children. It depends upon how much money we are having a hand. It goes 150 to 350. We bring food there. Tejas kya? Bota. He's the boy. Now he's going to be soon a father. Sit down. He's an expert of doing this. We carried food for the kids, making them sit. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, 5 minutes. Then giving a food to them, puri, shak, magarilo bhat, sometimes shikhand, sometimes kerino ras, sometimes shukhdi, sometimes laddu. Something good to make them happy. Not even that, a paustik, good food. Once he put more than 350 kids there in his food. And then one small baby came. A 7-8 years baby. I have not received anything. Then we have seen what we can give. A puri, some pieces were there. We collected all and filled his bowl. At a time a grown-up man came. Maharaj, give something to me also. To have to scratch a vessel to give him a vegetable. Then he looked, almost 3-4 ball was there, big ball. Only vegetable, with what I will eat? Then small baby said, take my puri, you eat with that. He may be poor economically. His heart was rich with this absolute knowledge of what is share and what is care. He may be born and brought up in that slum, but I see him a lotus in the ditch, a purity, a total serenity, a total divinity. What you need is serene care won't come unless and until your heart will expand. From head to foot, You have to become heart, oozing with only love. Love and nothing else but the love. What that love? The love of total awareness of the purity that my life on the earth sojourn is to serve, is to love, is to give. When you are aware of these three words, to serve and love and give, you will purify your own self. And when purity can come, meditation, the peace will follow automatically. Realization of the absolute is not in the seventh heaven. It is very much here in every step of your life. But it is that you have to make it. So the Upanishad says, Rutam cha satyam cha. And they say, Shriya Dehi, Hiriya Dehi. Give with a love, give with an eternity, give with an understanding. Maybe in any form, but try to give. As Swami Mukesh Bhai was saying so. Spend, he will send. My master Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj was known as a Givananda. Because he always think like that. In 1947, when Pakistan and India, they were in a two-part. One gentleman came to ashram, Rishikesh, with a two harmonium. Each was 1,000 rupees from a Lahore on those days. Ashram was a small. Satsang people will be very less, and then the rain is there, and with big cold, not many people in the satsang. But one harmony was kept in a satsang house, one in a music class. When no one was there, one gentleman was coming from Rishikesh every day to sing one bhajan. He was a good singer. He found no one is there. He wrapped the harmonium in a blanket and took it away. After 2 days, Swami Shivanji Maharaj came to know why this guy is not coming. Then someone very promptly said, Maharaj is okay. He called him, Sangeet Ratna Chudamani. Swamiji wrote a letter to him. Come. When Gurudev, Swami Shivananda, like in his son, when he invites, no one will say no. Swamiji organized a big galan, big certificate, and then a pair of a tabla. Khali harmonium kya karega? Tabla bhi leke cha. Mukesh Bhai, congrats to you. Few days before I was in Germany where the Hitler was there, they're having 3 universities. Each university is having 5,000 people, children there. In one of the universities, a basement, big library is there. I was supposed to speak there. And when a young man came, he said, so if you kindly permit me, before your little sharing, may I play my guitar? I told with a great pleasure. He touched my feet and he said, Jai Gurudev. I told, from where you learn? Oh, I love India. I love Ahmedabad. I said, what is that? He said, since many days I am thinking to come to Ahmedabad for a Saptak program. I was so happy. In the remote corner of Germany, people are aware of it. Saptak, as well as they are aware of it, AMA also. So I told that this AMA Management Week and Saptak is a renowned, known, a globally known program of the Ahmedabad. Not only the Modis is now only, but AMA and Saptak is known since a long time. So it's a credit to Ahmedabad. And then you see how it is happening because it is used by ear. I am not so much good in a sher or shairi like you, Mukesh Bhai. But Shama jal jati hai, kintu sabko roshan kar jati hai. Like a Nandan Kaka, he had a cancer. He suffered and suffered, the founder of the Saptak. But Nandan Kaka is gone, but the flavor of the Saptak will stay. Mukesh Bhai, AMA, the Mukesh Bhai and Krishna Kanaya, inseparable. Why I am telling you that this can't come unless until you think that it is our moral duty to share something good. Moral and moral. When it comes when you think that he, she, it are not two. Tadatma vishayam tayo, tadrupa, tadakara, tanvaya. Not to keeping a separate thing. That is he, she, we are one. Sangachatvam, sangvadhatvam, samno manam sijanatam, sahana bhavatu, sahana punatu. Jointly. Mukesh Bhai's respected sweetheart, Madam Hema Benz, and her daughter Kriti's Arangetram was there. They invited me. Ranga Pravesham. From my childhood, I am accustomed to see many dance programs. And Kuchipudi, one of the best, finest program I have seen with Yamini Krishnamurti and Nandini Krishnamurti and also. But here the Hema and Kriti, they presented a unique program. That was a Mayura Kautavam. That a cloth was drenched in a water was removed and kept on a side. On the stage, plenty of color was sprayed, and the cloth was, children were holding both sides, almost a 9 to 10 inch up. Now from one side, one dancer is entering, another side, another dancer is entering, and they're singing a song and dancing, and the one lady goes right and another lady goes left, and then cloth was up, the two peacocks were dancing like this. Such a big calculation. And after this, Mukesh Bhai asked me to say some few words of blessings. I said, to whom to bless? To the mother or the daughter? Or the grandfather or the grandmother? That they permit to go and have a dance program, or the husband very generously says go. Or the mother who has given a birth to a daughter, or daughter who has inspired mother to dance, or a guru who has taught, Mudra Menon, or otherwise the singers and musicians, or the audience, or electric company, not to go away. Whom to say? I had only one word to say, Brahma lataka kare, Brahma paase. It is that the sharing and caring, that is everything is a Brahman only, nothing else but the Brahman. Who is singing? Who is dancing? What is the color? What is the printing? Where is the music? There is no he, she, is only one. जिधर देखता हूं उधर तू ही तू है, ये हो गया तो फिर शेयर करने के लिए it become your very real nature हो जाएगा. He can say, Sucha can say, स्वामी जी इधर शीर्षासन करने का क्या बात है? No, कहीं भी बोलो, बाजार में भी, माणिक चौक में भी कर सकता है 100%. I got 100%. I had a great surprise. This morning Indigo flight, it says, in Ahmedabad the temperature is 25, but in case you are spending an evening, you may go to the Manik Chowk and enjoy pani puri and dokla. Indigo बोल रहा है dokla खाओ. And he said something, Swatmaram's Basundi. I had a great surprise. I had never heard Atmaram's Basundi in Manik Chowk. You see how it is happening. Slowly and gradually saying, whether we can do this share and care. Yes. Only Swami Shivananda, no, you also can do. I was asking to verify a name, Vasuben Bhatt. Many of you must be knowing this, a divine name, a very enlightened, vibrant and bright and vibrant persona in the Gujarat history. She happened to be director of All India Radio in Rajkot, in Bombay, in Ahmedabad and so on. Vinodini Nazare name book I have read some 20 years before. In that Vinodini Nazare I read this matter that Vasuben Bhatt had a robbery in her house when she was a station director in Bombay. And then police station reported to Vasuben that, Madam, there's a robbery in your house and please come to police station and file the FRI and sign and collect your things. You cannot imagine what Vasuben is. It's beyond imagination. She came. She is less of a lady, more is a leda. Kemcho, you will do like that. Mukesh Bhai is already experienced like this. She said, where is the thief? Thief is there. Oh no! What is wrong with you? You tied up this man. I hope you don't be touched. Open karo, open karo, open karo. She went inside. She gave a hug to a thief. With her own sari, wiped her face, hugging and brought him out. What is wrong with you? He's my own man. Hey, kahan hai sab saman de do. Chutti karo. Huh? They were all surprised. No, bhai, pagal hai, tumhare samne court karenge. Everything she's taken with the thief. Thief also don't know what's happening. She said, come to my house. This thing you can take to your house. And anything more you want, I will give to you. I will take you to your house. Saturday, I am free. Sunday, whole time free. Tell me who are all in your family, wife and children. Come, we'll go together and eat a bhelpuri in an Anando name place in a Chopati. What is a share? What is a care? You don't need a Babaji to think a share and care. A local person like a station director also can think that Sababhumi, Ekaja Dalana, Pankhi, Amesau, we all belong to the same family. It is why it makes him to think, because he doesn't have. It's my moral duty to look after him. The student says, so I have not done anything, we have not done anything special. It was our moral duty to see that something is happening wrong in the society to bring them there. Marga bhulela, jivana pathikane, marga chindhava ubo rahu, kare jo upeksha e maragani, topana samata chitta dharu. This is a sharing and caring. Prabhu evi daya karatu. विषयने वासना छूटे ना रहे मोहने ममता बधामा हो सदा समता. The total awareness. Let me be to be kind and courteous. My master said so. Sarlogi purify, meditate, realize, be good, do good, be kind, be compassionate. Inquire who am I, know thyself and be free. Inquire who am I, know thyself and be free. You are not this body. You are not this restless mind. You are the essence of immortal Atman, radiant Atman, eternal divinity. This is your duty, foremost duty. Therefore do it now. Do not postpone. This is your duty, foremost duty. Therefore do it now. I've got a friend of mine, Dr. Anila Srivastava. He has done his MBBS. Now before that, he's done MSc Microbiology in Pantnagar University. He has done his MBBS in a Jhansi Medical College. He has done his MD in a King George Medical College. He has done a cardiology PhD in a Rajiv Gandhi Heart Research Institute in Lucknow. One day he was coming out from Ram Manohar. He was a HOD. At the department of cardiology, was coming out of his chamber, he found an old couple there. Old couple. Doctor Saab, tell me where we can find this doctor. Arey, ye Doctor Saab is in King George. Aap yahan kaise aa gaya? How you come here? Oh, humko pata nahi. No, come. From one end, he took this old couple to another place. And then every day he will go to bus station to catch them, bring them to that. For 3 months he was doing like that. And when they were fine, the doctor said, so now they can come after 3 months, one check, otherwise they're all right. After 3 months, without taking this Dr. Anil Srivastava, they went directly to King George Medical College. No one looked after them because the doctor was not there. Then one nurse said, so how you are all alone today? Where is your son, Dr. Srivastava? We don't have a son, our Srivastava. Then Dr. Srivastava used to come and bring you. Oh, Doctor Saab hai. वो तो कोई आदमी लेके आता था. Then this nurse is narrated and the story printed in a Lucknow Herald. You feel so happy. One doctor. A doctor is not for that. He should think always. Why doctor? The lawyer. Any human being. Share and care is what I can do the best for. Not for my kith and kin. Wherever my drishti can go, wherever I can listen, wherever I can see, the last man also should be in my mind, I should reach there. बड़े इंसान के घर की शादी में नहीं जाओ तो चलेगा. छोटा इंसान बीमार है, रात भर खड़े हो जाना. ये जरूरी बात. I will tell you something. Swami's life is a life like a garbage house. People comes and brings their problems. One boy came to see me in Australia. weeping a lot, but it was too late for him. He was a young little boy. He lost his father, and mother was a household lady. She will sweep the floor, she will cook food, she will wash someone's vessels. Something of the kind she will do it. What was the idea? Mera beta pad jaye. They were so poor. So lady had only dark cloth, hair hardly combed. And boy always used to hate the mother. Why she is a lady like this? One day he didn't turn up at a time. And mother was worrying. Bhukhyo thayo hase.